Hello, good evening all riders around the world. This video is made to show you how to change a spoil coil plugs on Hyosung GV250. The first thing that we need to do is we need to uninstall the radiator in order for us to access the plug assembly. To do this it's a little bit hard because the space is not so much. Then after that we access and unplug the plug socket, and we're going to remove the first coil assembly. After removing all coil plugs, I install new coil plugs. I'm using a Yamaha LC135 coil plugs because in Malaysia it's very hard to get the original parts for Hyosung GV250. The wirings is almost similar, but only the connector locations a little bit different, but the original wiring can be used on these Yamaha coil plugs. You can see the video for the guides how to install the coil and the wirings. After changing the first coil plugs, now we are changing the second coil plugs. Bear in mind that at the same time we need to change both of the coil with the similar Yamaha LC135 coils. In this video, at the same time, I also changing a new plugs. I use a CR8 EGP AGK G Power Platinum spark plug on this bike. We need to buy two of this kind of this plug because we have two cylinders. Now we're going to install the plug for the first cylinder, and then for the wiring we need to cut according to the length that we need. Then we install back the old plug connectors to complete the installations. After finish changing first coil on the first cylinder, we need to attach back the radiator assembly and move to the second phase. The second phase is to change second cylinder coil plugs. In order to do this, we need to remove the seat and also remove the fuel tank in order for us to access the plugs beneath. the location is beneath the full tank assembly, so you need to remove the full tank assembly in order for us to reach that location. After removing the fuel tank, then we can access that area. We remove the old cable plugs and measure the length for the new cable plugs, cut the wire according to the length that we need, and after that we install back the old connector, the plug connector, to the new wire. Then this will be completing the second phase. After we plug in the plug connector on the new plugs, we also will going to change a new plug at these installations. After finish a second plugs installation, then we need to put it back the fuel tank assembly, the seat, and we're going to do the test on the new coil plugs. After done all the installation, then we put back the coil area cover, we screw everything tightly, then finally we're going to do the test again and see how the functionality of this new coil. Thank God, everything flow very good, like what you want it to be. If this video content is good for you, please share it, like if possible, please like my channel, and also give a thumb up. Thank you for watching.